But let's get this deserving business straight. Let the redeemed of the Lord say so. So one way to state the principle and the practice that I'm suggesting to you to have good health, happiness, love, success, prosperity, and money is to agree with God. Do not agree with the theologians. If you do, you're done. Do not agree with the theologians that you are an original sinner. That's not even Bible. I don't see how the fundamentalists have gone for that. I mean, gee, that's just ABC. God made man in his own image and in his own likeness. Anything after that or less than that is not original. Let me lay this one on you, too. Do you realize that the devil isn't even an original sinner? And, of course, another definition for the devil. Domino's full biscuit. Don't like to give him too many honorary mentions. The reason I make the sign of the cross is because the devil, like Dracula, can't stand the cross. And, of course, even that legend tells us something. Dracula can only operate in the dark. What is that dark? The darkness of self-ignorance. Same with the devil. The devil can only operate in the darkness of self-ignorance, where mind does not know I am God and there is none beside me. Now, another thing about Dracula and the devil, which are synonymous. Dracula has no substance or reality in himself. He can only operate on somebody else's blood. The only thing that the devil can get to operate against you with is your own blood. The blood of your thought. The blood of your belief. Oh my God. Once the light of God shines in your self-consciousness, Dracula fades away into his native nothingness, as Emmett Fox says. And when you quit giving the blood of your belief, the blood of your thought to the devil, he fades away into his native nothingness. Now again, as I say, even in the Bible, the devil is not even originally evil. You see, so there's no original evil. The devil is a fallen angel. What does that mean? A thought that has fallen from God. I beheld Satan as lightning fall from heaven, says Jesus. Folks thought that was somebody with a pitchfork. No such thing. The devil was a beautiful angel thought, the covering cherub. That's the original truth even of the devil. But you see, the devil shows us what happens to our thoughts when we let them fall from God. Every thought that we let fall from God becomes a devil and a demon to us. Oh, my.
Yeah.
They are not an other, but our own downfallen thoughts that stick us with the pitchfork.